Good morning, students. As we know that we have completed our two chapters in our class and third chapter also completed. But due to some reasons or lack of students in class, we are going to continue this chapter again. And before starting the chapter, as you all know about the acronyms, in chapter first we have learned about the acronyms. In chapter 2 we have also learned about the acronyms means the short words or lines or sentences which are very useful to keep the theory part or 2 points in your mind for long effect. The first, we are going for the chapter business environment. What do you mean by business environment? A business environment means sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that may affect the performance enterprises but the control of business. Means to say that business environments not only the environment of inside of the business but also the outside, and we know that no business can run in vacuum. It needs people, it needs persons, it needs individuals to run, it needs everything, and then all the things affect the business environment, and that all the things constitute the business environment. Individuals means customer, creditors, institutions and other forces. Other forces, it may be the political, it may be the economical, it may be the legal. All these are the parts of the business environment. So business environment is not a small concept, it is a large concept, and in the present scenario the business environment the importance of business environment is very important because due to corona the business is affected a lot. It is socially affected, it is legally, it is politically, etc. So that first what are the features of business environment, and we can learn it is in the form of disturbed C. D stands for dynamic, I stands for interrelated, S stands for specific and general forces, T stands for totality of external forces, R stands for relativity, and C stands for complex. The first one is D. What are the features of business environments? D. The business environment is dynamic. Means it is changeable. It's not remain same. Day after day, months after months, year after year, a lot of change in the business as we are observing in present scenario, in present time. Second one is interrelated. The factors of business environment is interrelated to each other. It is not so simple. Legal environment is related to political environment. Political environment is related to social environment. Social environment related to technological environment. So all the parts or the factors of the business environments are interrelated. Then specific and general forces. Business environment, in there are some specific forces and some general forces. Specific for means they are micro, and the general forces they are in large. In specific forces which directly affect the business, and general forces which indirectly affect the business. Next, specific forces, the example is customer, creditors, banker, etc. In general forces, political environment, social environment are the general forces. Next one is totality of external factor. Business environment is totally depends upon external forces. Business environment is totally depend upon the external forces. External forces, they are not in the hand of a businessman. They are controlled or they are managed by the others. Next one is relativity. Business environment is relative. Relative means we can say that it is different from country to country, different from state to state. We can say that it is different from state to state, or it may different from area to area. That's, and the last one is B is leaving for blank, and last one is C. The business environment is so complex. Individual study of business factors or environment is very easy, but when we study it is very complex concept. So that business, the features of business environment is summarized in the form of disturbed. C may be any one. D dynamic, I interrelated, S specific or general forces, T totality of external forces, R is relativity, and C is complex. These are the this is the acronyms for features of business environment. The next one is dimensions of business environment. Dimensions means the area or the part which affect the business environment. Business environment, as already one thing I want to tell you, in previous classes I have already given you the acronyms and the notes related to all chapters. I have provided the sample paper, I have provided the support material of government, and now today I will provide you the NCERT also, so you can complete your notes, complete your work time to time, and please submit your previous work also. Don't forget to submit your previous assignments, previous sample paper today or by tomorrow positively. And the next one is the dimensions of business environment. In these dimensions, we will include social environment, technological environment, economical environment, political environment, and legal environment. It can be step in. As social environment consists of custom, traditions, rituals, etc., which frame the business social environment of a business. When there is a change in customer, it brings the change in business. For example, as today in present scenario, we are too much concerned about our health. So we are too much concerned about our health. So we are focusing on health product. So the demand for the health product, etc., the demand for the organic food items has increased a lot. Next one is technological environment. Technological environment, it's the technology, changing technology, which is time to time changing technology means that technology day to day changing. We can't say that now in present scenario we can say that the demand for the smartphone has increased, so the business environment is also affected by the technological environment. Next one is economic, as we have studied in 11th class economics, bank rate, inflation, GDP, etc., are also the part of the economic environment. If there is a change in per capita income, it leads to change in the business. If the income of the persons increases, if the per capita income is increases, it will demand the product for the business. Next one is the political environment. Political environment consists of the political conditions, government condition. Is it a single government or it is a coalition government? All make the political environment of the business. And the last one is the legal environment. Legal environment is a law given by the government, the courts, etc., and different legal decision taken by our judiciary, our government is a part of the legal environment. And these, when we study them individually, they are so easy. But when we study it as in all, it is very complex. Due to coronavirus, our economic, our business is affected a lot, and we cannot say that there is a single environment which is affecting the business. Suppose I am running a shop, suppose I am running a business, suppose I am running a business, so it means we can say that not only the one part but all the parts is affecting social, society is banned, technological, there's a change in technology, there's a change in economic condition of the country, there's a change in the political condition of the country, there's a change in the legal condition of the country in present. So these all combinedly affect our business. Thank you. Today this is all we do for the chapter number 3. Tomorrow we will start the new concept, we will revise them and we will add on the notes. The notes, again I am repeating, notes, sample paper already provided to you but you have not submitted it till. Thank you.